Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of makeup therapy, taking it back to my OG YouTube days. I've been feeling really out of touch with myself lately and I really wanted to take some time to sit down with you guys and do my makeup. Starting off, I want everyone to take a deep breath, go into your self-care journal, your planner, read your manifestations and affirm to yourself, I am beautiful, I am successful, I am worthy, I will get over whatever I'm going through, I am strong. And make sure to get hydrated because hydrated skin is the best way to start your day and your makeup. I think we can all agree that makeup is a place to step away from all of our problems and anything going on in the world and just take a step back and relax and make ourselves feel good and look good. But yeah, grab a seat, grab your favorite things and do your makeup routine with me. I really hope you enjoy this more calming video. I did want to do this without talking, but for my first one, I wanted to sit down and just do some affirmations with you guys and speak a bit from the heart. So here I'm doing my everyday kind of glam makeup for when I'm taking photos or filming, and I will have all of the products and my thoughts on the products down below, and let me know if you want to see tutorials or reviews on any of these products. But today it's really just about the mindset. So how have you guys been doing? How has life been treating you? Let's use the comment section as a little therapy session as well to uplift each other and vent and just have a safe space. I just want everyone to know that they're not alone and everybody in this world is going through something. We all have so many thoughts and feelings and sometimes we feel like we can't turn them off or we can't express them or we have nobody to talk to, but I want everybody to know that I'm here. You can reach out to me via DM. It is so important that we talk to somebody, let it out, and just take care of ourselves. We have to be good to ourselves. Self-love and self-care is honestly the best thing in the world. Whether it's doing your makeup, whether it's putting on a nice outfit, whether it's journaling, whatever it is that makes you happy, be sure to take some time out of every single day to do that one thing and don't compromise. Mental health is really important, and I know it seems on social media that everybody's perfect, and that is just so far from the truth. Everybody's dealing with something, and sometimes, especially in the world we live in today, it could just feel so exhausting or feel like our problems are so little even though they feel so huge, and it's just overall hard. Life, we have to maintain, we have to make a living, and it's sometimes hard to deal with the things that we feel inside as well. But I just really wanted to create this video to give a little reminder, especially that I haven't been feeling myself lately and I have definitely been needing to sit down, do my makeup and just relax. Make sure you uplift yourself every day, morning and night, first thing when you wake up and first thing before you go to sleep. Make sure you're admiring yourself both with and without makeup. And remember, it's okay to feel what you feel. It's okay to be selfish and really take care of yourself. In this life, we're all we have, and we need to take care of ourselves. So with all of this being said, I don't know if you guys came here to see a makeup therapy video with no talking, and if that's the case, I am going to be quiet for a little bit and you can just enjoy me doing my makeup, but definitely be sure to leave me feedback in what you want to see in my next makeup therapy video or anything you want to see from me in general. Makeup is just truly so powerful, and I know that I personally feel so much better and feel just like myself when I'm glam and when I'm, you know, taking my time doing my makeup, not rushing, and just doing what I love. And I feel like I've been very out of touch with that lately, but I'm excited to get back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this therapy session. Remember to comment down below. I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone, I love you.